Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the Herz P1 Smart Ring, a surprisingly affordable wearable that brings health tracking into a tiny, simple design. Priced at under $60, it's aimed at people who want fitness and wellness insights without paying expensive subscription fees like you see with premium smart rings. One of the biggest highlights is how much it can track. The Herz P1 monitors over 20 health metrics, including heart rate, sleep quality, stress levels, and daily wellness patterns, making it a solid option for anyone trying to stay more aware of their health. The ring itself is built from space-grade titanium, so it feels lightweight, durable, and it's even water-resistant up to 50 meters, which is impressive at this price. Battery life is another strong point, lasting up to 6 days on a single charge, with offline storage that keeps tracking even when your phone isn't nearby. Of course, it's not perfect. There's no display, so everything depends on the companion app, and some users mention sizing and customer support issues. Still, for the cost, the Herz P1 Smart Ring delivers great value for beginners looking for affordable health tracking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.